Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about AirPods, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you pair AirPods that you do not own? So for example, if you are using someone else's AirPods, or maybe you found some AirPods, how do you connect them to your iPhone? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. And this whole process is handled on your iPhone. So first, if you want to go ahead and pair a set of AirPods that you do not own, they belong to someone else, what you want to do is make sure that the case is completely charged. So this one's already charged. Once you have charged it, then you want to bring it close to your iPhone like I have right now, and then go ahead and open up the case. Okay, once you've done that, then you're going to get this pop-up right here, and it's going to let you know that these are not your AirPod Pros. Don't worry about that for now. What you want to do is go ahead and click this blue connect button here at the bottom. I'm going to click there now. Next, you're going to see this instruction that you need to hold the button on the back of the charging case in order to connect these AirPods that do not belong to you to your iPhone. So flip them over, and then you're going to see this button. Go ahead and hold that button down. I'm going to hold it down now. Okay, now it's connecting. And that took about 10 seconds. Okay, so now these AirPods that do not belong to me are connected to my iPhone, as you can see. It's going to give you a couple of different options right here. Go ahead and just click this blue skip button. It also brings up some other options. I'm just going to click the don't announce message right here. More information about spatial audio. I'm going to click not now. Okay, so now these AirPods that do not belong to me are attached to my iPhone. Two things I want to let you know though. This is not to promote any kind of theft of AirPods. But if you happen to have bought a pair of AirPods that maybe they were stolen, or maybe you found them, whoever has these AirPods connected to their iCloud device can actually play a sound. So if they're looking for them, it's going to go beep, 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 and that can be kind of annoying. And the only way to prevent that is by attaching these individual AirPods to a different case. Once you insert these into a new case and then go through the connecting process like we just did, then these AirPods are going to be connected to a different iCloud. But as long as you keep using this particular case, then the original owners do have the option to play the sound through their iCloud. So if you are buying a secondhand pair of AirPods, you definitely want to make sure that that person has removed them from their iCloud to prevent any kind of annoying issues in the future. But to answer the question, how do you pair AirPods to your iPhone that you do not own? That's the easiest way that I know. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.